Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do now, you just go down, click here on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings. You just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. So then here you click here on notifications. So then when you click on notifications here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just click here on market for here alerts, just click on it. And here can you disable it here when you click on push, then here for in app. So that's mean like you see now it's disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.